Sometimes I wonder why you love me instead of someone who you think's the best for you. Sometimes I dream that you'll leave me one day, for you will find another man to care for. How could I remove insecurities inside my heart, knowing it's unfair for you love me too? Whoa, help me please remove. Sometimes I wanted to hear those sweet words that you will always love me, no matter come what may. Sometimes I'm hoping for your sweet kiss, for it makes me feel your heartbeats. How could I remove insecurities inside my heart, baby, knowing it's unfair for you love me too? Won't you please say you love me too? Sometimes say you love me too.